So, Mother's Day is coming up. That means that everybody's going to need to be buying flowers, cards, jewelry, whatever our moms want. But personally, I think that that's not a good gift to give our mother. To spend money on things every single year, it's just not genuine. I think that the best gift for our mothers, us becoming successful. What happens when we become successful? When we become successful, we are able to help everybody around us. But who is the most important person in our lives? Our mothers. Who carried us for 9 months. Obviously, our dads are just as important, but our mothers are literally the ones who carried us in their womb. Our mothers deserve a lot more than just flowers and some cards. Every single year, it's just the same thing. Maybe you take her out for dinner, massage her feet, you make her bed in the morning when she wakes up, maybe you make her breakfast. But the thing is, it's very repetitive. The best thing that we could give our mothers is us fulfilling our dream and being at a point where we can help our mothers, where we can buy them anything they want, right? Not just flowers. Being at a point in life where we can take them out for trips. Don't you want to take your mom to Bali? Don't you want to take your mom to Fiji? Exactly. My mom has literally put herself through so much for me, for my brother, even putting up with my dad. But the thing is, I feel bad that I can't offer her more than some flowers and maybe a dinner. I really love my mother. And she works her butt off to support the house that I lived in, my brother lived in. So my mom was a single mom who had to support my brother and me throughout our entire childhood. During the economy crashing, my mother had gone through a lot, and that's not even talking about all the stuff that she had to go through before I could even speak. This applies to everybody. Your mother does a lot for you. So you want to give her the best gift, becoming successful. If your mother is like my mother, she wasn't able to honestly fulfill her dreams. Grew up in a completely different era. She didn't have technology. She couldn't just pick up YouTube and type in a question that she had and get the answer. She couldn't pick up Google, type in a question she had and get the answer. That's not how it worked back then. Our parents took advice from people who had not accomplished anything and who won't ever accomplish anything. To them, it's normal. But they grew up in a different era. They grew up in a different generation. We have technology at our fingertips. You're watching this video right now. You can go click on another video and easily learn something if you want to. Honestly, becoming successful, having a lot of money, it's not even about you. It really could be all about you. But honestly, think about your parents. Think about your sibling. Think about all your family that can benefit from one decision that you make. That decision that you said yes to changing your life for the better could affect everything. It will affect everything. That one decision that you make is literally throwing a pebble into a pond, creating a giant ripple, watching that ripple expand. That's the ripple effect that you're creating by taking action and by deciding that you want better for your life. You can go spending money on flowers this Mother's Day. You can go get her cards, right? But I want you to consider this. You clicked on this video. You are meant to learn something right now. Take this message to heart. If you want to be rich, if you want to live a good life, you need to make a decision for yourself right now. You need to say that you want that life and that you will do what it takes to get that life. And think about it. Your mom will benefit from that and your dad will benefit from that. And that just changes your whole entire life. That changes every generation down from there. So I just want you to think about that. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you feel like you learned something, subscribe to me, leave a like, and watch me more. If you like my vibe, if you felt like what I was saying was right, continue to support me. Thank you very much. I'm Noah. Have a good rest of your day.